All right, so we got thumb. That is the thumb. Thumb, chum, dog. Everybody say it. Ready? Thumb, chum, dog. Pointer, sockeye, red. Ready? One more time.
Pointer, sockeye, red.
Next one. Middle finger, king, chinook.
Shane Mattingly, College Gate Elementary, 6th grade, 1st grade, Yupik Salmon Dissection Festival. They saw the outside and inside of several different species of fish. Some of them have caught fish, and it's been not a fun thing. It's kind of like go to fish camp, catch fish, or maybe you don't get to catch the fish, you get to clean and cut the fish and put it away, and you get to carry the cooler. You get to do all the yucky parts, but not the, what is the learning part? And this gets us, we're gonna go through the whole life cycle, how they benefit us, how we benefit them, how we hurt them, and how other things hurt them. And in my opinion, it's one of the few resources in Alaska that we haven't screwed up completely. So, I like, a lesson that's there all the time, right outside our back door, something I'm completely blown away, addicted to. I don't know, try to get the kids to be the same way. And it teaches us tons of things, the salmon, just the fish itself, and why not just step outside and learn any chance we get.